न्यूयॉर्क सिटी के संगम में वाक़या ब्रुकलिन पैलेस में न्यूयॉर्क मेयर के ताउन से एक प्रोग्राम का आगाज़ किया गया, जिसमें मुख्तलिफ तहज़ीबों और कम्युनिटी को एक दूसरे के करीब लाने मकसद से मुनक्कद होने वाली तकरीब का एहतमाम चेयरमैन कश्मीरी अमेरिकन अलायंस सगीर खान ने किया। न्यूयॉर्क सिटी के ताउन से तकरीब में कश्मीरी कम्युनिटी, पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी, इंडियन कम्युनिटी, सिख कम्युनिटी, बांग्लादेशी कम्युनिटी के नुमाइंदों ने शिरकत की। न्यूयॉर्क से के सिटी ऑफिशियल्स की कसीर तादाद में शिरकत और मुकर्ररीन मेयर के बिहाफ पर तमाम कम्युनिटी के एक साथ बामी तावन, मोहब्बत, हम आहंगी को यकीनी बनाने पर जोर दिया।
We are here this evening to break bread and build bond. What is breaking bread and build bond? Breaking bread and building bond is a mayor initiative. He started this since Borough Hall, and he believed this is going to help us with hate crime, and we certainly see a lot of result of that. We need to come together and have a conversation, tell each other what is like our religion, our culture, where we came from, and how we go about living our lifestyle. In that way, we break bread and we're going to build bond, and hopefully we're going to become friends after this. We're going to exchange contact, and we'll keep in touch. Thank you. And Saghir, thank you for putting this together. You are a great trooper. Thank you so much.
To attend another event. She's Assemblywoman from greatest borough of Queens, which is where I live, District 38, I believe.
Often on the same block. That is New York. That is who we are. And I can truly say that I love every community like my own. And today we will all get to experience that at this wonderful coming together of people from just the beginning for our community. So everyone have a wonderful night and dream big, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Brother Saghir, to arrange this very meaningful and important event. As Sukrani described before, so what is the meaning of breaking bread, building bond? I literally lighted this thing also. As you remember, when you inaugurate your organization 2 years before, I announced this program in your event, and I explained that everything. This is the great mayor's initiative, breaking bread, building bond. Why he started these things? Because the New York City renowned for its diversity. We all belong to different faith, culture, race, language, and religion, but we are living together in one city, like a neighbor, like a sister, like a brother. So it is very important. Like we should know to each other where we come from, where we belong to, where we speak, and where we, offer our services, praying this thing and that thing.
City Council. So give a big round of applause to our sister Dimple.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
All right, you heard me. So again, my name is Dimple Willibus. I'm a candidate running for New York City Council in District 46, right where you're sitting. I would like to extend my gratitude to Brother Saghir Khan, and of course, my brother Manzoor, who's always out there doing work in the community. So I always say a very simple philosophy. I have a simple philosophy of how I view leadership. The first place to lead is in your home. I always say that before I go out and ask you for your vote, check me. I need to check myself, check my family. About our food, our culture, our religion, understanding fasting. Not all of us understand fasting unless we actually walk in their shoes. We know what it's like to just be at school watching the other children, sit there and eat while...
Brother, all of the officials who are serving the community at the moment and who are striving to be elected in future, college, all of my achievable dreams came through the...
Please give him a standing ovation. Very close friend of mine, Mr. Jagmeet Singh.
Guys, for this man, I was with him 2 weeks ago at another human rights event, and he made everyone in the room feel so special. And that's the good thing about this brother. No matter if you're in government, if you're just a civilian, whoever you are, whatever your social class is, he makes sure everyone in the room feels extra special because that's the character he has. So thank you so much for doing the work you're doing. All gone. When we all die, our sources, we go back to the same space. And I think that's what propels these events so much, because sometimes it's so easy to forget that. So I'm so thankful to be a part of this. This is like, I think, the 15th one we've been to. I want to shout out my sister Patricia.
Give a big round of applause, Sharifa William.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sharif Williams. I'm from Queens, and I have a food pantry in Queens. It's called Together We Serve, and I'm very, very happy to be here. I missed the opening of the restaurant, and this is my second.
Country safe and protecting us. We go to sleep at night, and you guys are out protecting our freedom. Thank you so much for your service.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm very happy to be here. My name is Sonny Badam. Originally, I'm from West Africa, Togo, a small country in West.
Teacher for last 50 years. Please give him big rounds of applause, Mr. Rafiq Baki.
In the name of God, the most beneficent, most merciful. This blend of different societies, communities, and cultures makes me happy to see. It's a good opportunity for me to see that in this event, or say at this place, we are joining ourselves, because fundamentally it is honor for me to address you people. I will not take more time of you. So kind of you, everybody sitting here.
Tonight, and I thought we would talk for 1 minute about this little election that we had last week, and what's been done by the people who come here, people such as yourselves, people such as my dad who came here from Argentina, is everything. Around the United States, last night I had one of the most pleasant experiences. Family, community, schools, get back to basics, and we will be back better than ever, I can assure you. Thank you very much.
Thank all the media partners that are here covering this event. I want to thank Dr. Mohammed Aurangzeb is here. You know what, I have to go to the tables. I can't see from far. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming, Anila. Thank you. Thank you for coming. Thank you. My brother Jabneet Singh, Sherry. Thank you. I have people from Bangladesh communities here representing their country. Thank you so much. All my Kashmiri brothers are here. Thank you so much for this great event that we have to get to know each other. So dinner is ready. After dinner we'll talk again. Thank you so much.
आखिर में कश्मीरी अमेरिकन अलायंस के चेयरमैन सगीर खान ने तमाम सिटी ऑफिशियल्स का कम्युनिटी का शुक्रिया अदा किया। मोहम्मद औरंगजेब, जम्मू कश्मीर टीवी, न्यूयॉर्क, अमेरिका।